Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 10 cool electric tools you can grab on Amazon, all under 15 bucks. These are budget-friendly, practical, and perfect for DIY projects or everyday fixes. Let's get started. Number 1. When you're working with wires, precision really matters. The WGG-WG-015 is one of those tools that earns its spot in the toolbox because it does several jobs at once. At 8 inches long, it's compact enough to handle comfortably, yet strong enough to cut and strip wires ranging from 10 to 22 AWG. The blades are made from high-carbon alloy steel, which means they stay sharp and accurate even after repeated use. What makes it stand out is the grip, an ergonomic, curved handle with a non-slip rubber coating. That design isn't just about comfort. It reduces hand fatigue when you're stripping or crimping multiple wires in a project. And since it can crimp both insulated and non-insulated terminals, you don't need to switch tools mid-task. Whether you're fixing a lamp, wiring a speaker, or tackling a DIY electrical project, this all-in-one tool keeps things simple and efficient. Number 2. Electricity isn't something you want to guess about, and that's where a voltage tester becomes essential. The Kiwitz non-contact tester makes checking live wires simple and safe. Instead of touching bare connections, you just bring the tip close to an outlet, cord, or terminal strip. If voltage is present, the tester responds with sound, light, and even a color change on the screen. Red for live wires, green for neutral. The closer you are to the source, the stronger the signal, so you get a clear sense of what's happening. It works across dual ranges, meaning it can detect both low-voltage systems like doorbells or thermostats and standard household wiring up to 1,000 volts. Built with safety ratings that meet international standards, it's double-insulated and alerts you to high voltage instantly. Compact enough to slip into a shirt pocket, it even has a flashlight for dim spaces, making it a practical, everyday tester. Number 3. Soldering might sound intimidating, but with the right kit it becomes a straightforward skill anyone can learn. This 80-watt soldering iron heats up in about 20 seconds, so you're not waiting around to get started. The adjustable temperature range gives you control, whether you're working on delicate electronics or sturdier metal repairs. A digital LCD display shows the exact heat level, which takes the guesswork out of finding the right setting. The design also considers safety and comfort. Ventilation holes on the tip help dissipate heat, while the insulated handle keeps your hands cool during longer sessions. The kit itself is practical. It comes with multiple tips, solder wire, flux paste, a stand, and even a sponge for cleaning. That means beginners and hobbyists have everything they need in one package. From fixing a circuit board to crafting jewelry, this kit opens the door to a wide range of DIY projects. Number 4. Working inside electrical boxes often means dealing with cramped, awkward spaces where a regular wrench just won't fit. That's where the Klein Tools Conduit Locknut Wrench set comes in handy. Each wrench has offset bends that let you reach lock nuts tucked away in tight corners, making the job faster and less frustrating. The set covers 3 of the most common conduit sizes, 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch, so you're prepared for most installations. A clever detail is the magnetic storage. The wrenches snap together neatly, so they don't rattle around loose in your toolbox. Identification is also simple, thanks to etched markings and color coding, which saves time when you're in the middle of a project. The hooked tip design gives extra leverage, helping you tighten or loosen lock nuts securely without slipping. Built from durable steel, these wrenches are tough enough to handle repeated use on the job or in DIY projects. Number 5. Stripping wires can be one of those repetitive tasks that quickly wears you out, especially if you're using traditional pliers. The WGG automatic wire stripper changes that experience by making the process smooth and effortless. Designed for wires between 10 and 24 AWG, it handles both solid core and stranded cables with precision. A spring-loaded handle means you only need a gentle press, and the insulation comes off cleanly without tugging or twisting. The eagle nose design is particularly useful in tight spaces where bulky tools just don't fit. You can even adjust the stripping length up to an inch and fine-tune the tension so you don't risk damaging the copper core. Lightweight yet durable. Thanks to steel and nylon construction, it's comfortable enough for frequent use without hand fatigue. Whether you're working on car wiring, home audio systems, or everyday electrical repairs, this compact tool saves time and keeps your work neat. Number 6. Electrical troubleshooting often feels like detective work, and a multimeter is the tool that helps you solve the mystery. The Astro AI digital multimeter is versatile enough to measure voltage, current, resistance, continuity, and even diodes, making it useful for everything from checking household outlets to diagnosing car battery issues. With a sampling speed of 2 readings per second, it gives quick, reliable feedback. The backlit LCD display is easy to read, even in dimly lit areas, and shows polarity clearly so you know exactly what's happening in the circuit. Safety is built in. A double fuse protects against overloads, while the silicone cover shields the device from shocks and accidental drops. Features like data hold, auto shutoff, and a continuity buzzer make everyday use more convenient. Whether you're troubleshooting a fuse box, testing electronics, or working on automotive wiring, this compact multimeter provides accuracy and peace of mind. Number 7. Wire stripping is one of those tasks where precision and ease make all the difference. The Kaiweets self-adjusting wire stripper takes away the hassle of fiddling with manual adjustments. It automatically adapts to wires between 10 and 24 AWG, so you can move from one cable to another without stopping to reset. What makes it especially useful is its 3-in-1 functionality. It strips, cuts, and crimps, covering most of the jobs you'd encounter in home electrical work or small repairs. The cutting edge handles copper, aluminum, and even sheathed cables, while the crimping feature works with both insulated and non-insulated terminals. Comfort is built in too. The thermoplastic rubber handle reduces hand fatigue, which matters when you're working on multiple connections. From fixing household lighting to repairing electronic devices or even children's toys, this tool keeps the process efficient, safe, and straightforward, all in one compact design. Number 8. Twisting wires by hand can be slow, tiring, and sometimes uneven. The upgraded wire twister tool for drills solves that problem by turning a simple power drill into a high-efficiency wire connector. Made from hardened galvanized steel with a stainless steel core, it's built to withstand tens of thousands of twists without wearing down. The tool works with common wire sizes from 9 to 22 AWG, making it versatile for household, automotive, or construction projects. What makes it especially user-friendly is the observation port. You can check wire alignment before twisting, which reduces mistakes and ensures neat, secure connections. The ergonomic design also helps prevent hand fatigue and keeps fingers safe during use. Operation is straightforward. Strip the wires, insert them, clamp lightly, and let the drill do the work. For electricians and DIYers alike, this tool saves time, improves consistency, and makes repetitive wiring jobs far less of a chore. Number 9. Electronics repair often requires more than just a standard screwdriver, and that's where a precision kit shines. This 117-in-1 set is designed to cover nearly every situation you'll encounter, from fixing smartphones and laptops to working on game consoles or even drones. With 99 different bits, including Phillips, star, triangle, and even pentagonal heads, you're prepared for unusual screws that regular tools can't handle. The kit also includes 18 accessories that make tricky jobs easier: a flexible hose for reaching awkward angles, a magnetizer to adjust bit strength, pry tools, tweezers, and even a suction cup for screens. Everything is neatly organized in a compact storage box that fits in the palm of your hand, with each bit clearly labeled for quick identification. The handle itself is comfortable, rotatable, and extendable, while the CRV steel bits ensure durability. For anyone who enjoys tinkering or repairing gadgets, this kit is like a portable workshop. Number 10. Manual screwdrivers are fine for quick fixes, but when you're assembling furniture or tackling multiple projects, a cordless screwdriver makes life much easier. The Sirocco 4V model is compact and lightweight, less than a pound, so it's easy to maneuver without tiring your hands. Despite its size, it delivers up to 6 Newton-meters of torque, enough for everyday tasks like drilling into wood or tightening stubborn screws. The electromagnetic chuck makes swapping bits simple, and with 10 included accessories plus an extension rod, you're covered for most screw types. A built-in LED light helps when you're working in dim corners or under cabinets, while the battery indicator ensures you know when it's time to recharge. With 2,000 mAh capacity, the power lasts through typical DIY sessions. Whether you're repairing toys, assembling shelves, or handling small electrical equipment, this cordless screwdriver is a reliable, portable tool that earns its place in any toolbox.